Here at the Anderson Law Firm, we proudly represent victims of drunk driving accidents. It's against the law to drive drunk. Unfortunately, people do it all the time. And when they do, and they cause an accident, usually the injuries are very severe. But what happens a lot of times is the insurance company, for the drunk driver, they know trouble. And so they want to put this fire out, and they come to you and they offer you a small amount of money. Maybe say, hey, we'll pay you a little bit for your medical bills and a little bit for your time and inconvenience. And don't take that. Don't settle early on a drunk driving case. First of all, you got to make sure you're well. There's no way you can ever settle a case until you've healed from your injuries. Secondly, you need to look in to the background of this drunk driver. What we found out through our investigations, which we do on every single drunk driving case, is does this drunk driver have a history of these problems? And yes, we find out that more often than not, if they have one drunk driving arrest, they have other stuff in their background. What does that mean? Well, that means that the value of your case is even more. These insurance companies, they should pay for insuring these drunk drivers and letting them get out there on the road and do these bad things. What we do is make sure that the claim is maximized. Just the one thing I mentioned is looking into the background. But we also do other things for our clients. We hold their hand through this criminal process, because you will have a civil claim with a civil lawyer such as myself and a criminal claim prosecuted by the state. And we make sure that our clients know what's going on through the entire process. And ultimately, we make sure our clients receive the fair compensation that they deserve, because they're not the ones that caused this accident. They're not the ones out there driving drunk. This insurance company for the drunk driver needs to pay.